how to integrate Landbot with Google Sheets. So first, go to Landbot and then just click on Bot Builder and then click on one of your bots. Open up one of your bots or just create a new bot. Okay. Next is, okay, so my bot is, what it does is just click on the button and then it will ask for my name. So, and then I want it to save the information in my Google Sheets, which is this one. So in order for you to do that, first you need to make sure the block question has the same information like this one. If you're looking for the name, make sure that you have the name here as well. Okay, type in the name. Okay, close it. Make sure it has something like this, the same as this one. So next, you just need to click on the arrow here and then look for Google Sheets. So whenever it asks for my name and then I answer it, it will save it to Google Sheets. So to integrate it, you just need to click on login with Google and then log into your Google account. Click on continue. Okay, now select the file that you're going to use. So I'll just select this one. Next is select the sheet and then the action to perform. So I want it to insert a new row, but you can select the other two as well. And then select the column, which is name, this one. Then add the field name again. And then just click on apply. And then let's test it if it's actually integrated. Click on test this bot. Okay. Now, what's your name? I'll just type in Henry here. Press enter. And then let's see if it works. As you can see, now we've successfully integrated Google Sheets to Landbot. So, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.